You don't need six figures to retire. You just need to move different.
I save like I'm allergic to spending. FIRE me up, baby.
FIRE means owning your time, not just quitting your job.
I'm retiring by 40. Then I nap like it's a full-time gig.
FIRE's not about quitting work. It's about choosing when you work and why.
Early retirement doesn't mean boredom. It means options.
Earning more isn't always about promotions. Sometimes it's babysitting on Saturdays.
Side hustles fund freedom. And snacks. Mostly snacks.
You don't need six figures to retire early. You just need discipline and good coffee.
Or a coin stack throne, like mine.
Cutting expenses doesn't mean cutting life. It means buying freedom with every decision.
Freedom is the best currency. I regret nothing.
FIRE isn't about skipping lattes. It's about making your money do more.
Beans today, beach tomorrow. Fire flow, let's go.
Tracking your spending isn't boring. It's your first step to financial peace.
Elites go O.
FIRE is about freedom, not just from money, but from fear.
Fear stands NO chance against budget spreadsheets and bulk rice.
It's not luck. It's every small choice, compounded over time.
We're gonna be legends of retirement.